Hello, I am going to do a three-part series, and if you can tell, I am traveling for the new year, and I'm going to just quickly go over if you have nutrition goals in the new year, what could be three things that you could focus on for the new year. So the first is going to be Nourished, which is going to be this video. The second is going to be Plan, and then the third is going to be Celebrate. So just a three-part, hey, what can I focus on? Nourish is a really safe word. It can be all-encompassing. Nourish can mean different things to different people. And so typically for the new year, people have this concept of like decluttering and reset and all that stuff. And if that's nourishing for you, then go all in. If that's not, nourishing might be a really comforting meal with comforting people at a comforting time. And that's actually really nourishing. However, with the change in seasons and with a lot of viral illnesses that go around, nourishing your immune system, that could be an okay thing to focus on. Nourishing foods like oatmeal or any sort of almonds or seeds. It could be as simple as a warm cup of tea versus an alcoholic drink. And so really focusing on, am I choosing foods that are going to nourish my body in this season? Not that if you're having a sugary drink or you're having a bag of Doritos, it's going to necessarily harm, but is that nourishing for your body in that moment? So really think, what does nourish mean for me? How can I encompass that? But if that feels suffocating, and if that creates an amount of stress, then that's not nourishing. The stress will override the any food that you're having, and then that will cause more harm on your immune system. And for true transformation to happen, you really want to focus on all parts of the body, including your nervous system, including your instinct with food, and including some sort of mental strategy or plan. So that's going to be video 2, is have some sort of plan, which can be nourishing. It also can be really suffocating. And so find something that is nourishing for you and what that looks like. It's going to be different for every single person. If you like this, hit that subscribe and follow along.